happened?
I don't know. It just happened so fast.
Hey, you okay?
Yeah.
We heard and we thought that...
No, I'm good.
Did you kill him?
What? No, I just... It was just timing, you know? He got in the way and...
No, you did, didn't you? You saw it coming, and then you took his life. You put him in the way.
Well, I didn't really do anything.
Tell us the truth. Did you or didn't you?
Hey, Peter, calm down.
Did you or didn't you? Did you or didn't you?
Yes. I think I did. I killed him.
So if the theory works, then you traded spots. He should have your death, and you should have his ears.
How do we know for sure?
I think there's an order to these deaths. They mirror the order everyone died in on a bridge.
Then who would be next?
Who wants to be the first to tell me what the hell just happened?
Who is it, Sam?
Who's what?
Dennis! It was Dennis. No shit.